The Captain here, Adam Shelton, and welcome to another edition of ClearCryptos, Know, Trust, and Act. In today's video, we're talking about coin burn, token burn. You may have heard of it before, like send your tokens to a burn address, that kind of thing. Don't send it to a fireplace. I'm not talking about tokens inside of a fireplace where it can burn. I'm talking about burning like this when coin burning happens. When a cryptocurrency token is initially sent to unusual wallet address to remove it from circulation. Then that address, which is called a burn address, can't be accessed or assigned to anyone. Once a token is sent to a burn address, it's gone forever. So that means it's burned forever. Now, how did crypto burning begin? It actually started about 2017, 2018. It gained popularity around that time when cryptocurrency like Binance and Bitcoin Cash and got Stellar started burning tokens to trim their total supplies, thereby boosting prices. Nowadays, it is a well-used strategy among newer cryptocurrencies that you may have heard of that often launch with massive token supplies. Now, when I go look at the list like this is a unified crypto burn platform. You see Shiba, Doge, and among others, and you see the burns. When I click on here, I get information in terms of the supply, the burn address, and more information about that project there. So this is becoming, it is a strategy among other projects as well. Is burning cryptocurrency good or bad? Well, cryptocurrency burning takes tokens out of circulation. So it takes it out of circulation. Similar to corporate stock buyback, and it can be beneficial for cryptocurrency or backfire depending on investors and use sentiments on how the new supply and demand dynamics influence the prices as well. Now, why do developers burn their cryptocurrencies? There are several reasons why they do it. To increase asset value, to the elimination of unsold coins, I've heard of that, protection against spam, to pay transaction fees, to show long-term commitment, and other things as well. And is it good for the economy? I think it can be if it's used in a strategy to benefit the project and, more importantly, protect the holders and give them something to really look forward to. So cryptocurrency in terms of burn, there you have it, coin burn, not this type of burn, but more likely this type of burn as a strategy. You sent your coin to unusable wallet and remove it from circulation. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. ClearCryptos in the house. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.